Cheer team is currently prepping for state. Let's take a look into their practice to see how they prepare.
My goals for the remainder of the season is for the team to hit zero, what we call a perfect performance. So I want to make sure that they are leaving it all on the mat, that they are walking off with no regrets, and they are putting 100% effort into every single thing that they do. And hopefully, if and when they do that, we will achieve our ultimate goal, which is to go down to state.
Senior Valeria DeRuda commented on her cheer experience at DGS.
The more difficult part is doing the reps over and over again after once we're tired, because we have to make sure we're hitting our skills consistently. So I feel that's the harder aspect.
Cheerleading is a sport not only scored on difficulty, but also scored on execution. And so getting those execution scores up is our main focus right now.
For state, we're still trying to have fun, but we're still trying to be more competitive and reach our goals.
We focus a lot more on the culture of what we're doing when we get closer to going into our sectional. I want zero regrets from our athletes because this is by far the most talented team that I've ever had the pleasure of coaching.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Jillian Oberly.